morning, dear students. Look here. Now your revision class started. Already you completed the chapter exponents and powers. Now that's the last chapter. Now look at the revision class for annual examination. Square and square. So already studied that and it is very easy also. Look at this table. 0 square is 0. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 60, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square 100. So the unit place is 1, 4. That is also 1, 4. 9 is here. 6, then 5 and 0. That means it ends, otherwise the unit place is 0, 1, 4, 6, 5. 0, 1, 4, 6 and 9 also. 9 and 5. Is it over? They are the unit place of the square number. Okay? Then, question. Check whether the following numbers are a perfect square. That's your question. Okay? And one of number is 961. Other one is 484, then 529, 633. So one among these is not a perfect square. Can you say that? 1 is a perfect square, 84 is a perfect square, 9 perfect square, but 3, unit place 3 is not a perfect square. Get the idea? Okay. One more question. Which of them is not a perfect square? That's the given data given here. 441 is one of the number. Okay. 900 is another number. 847 is another number. And 144 is one of the number. Now this is ended with 1. It's possible. 0 is possible. 144, 4 is also possible. 7 in the unit place is not possible for a perfect square. So 847 is not a perfect square. You get the idea? Next, which of them, that is, which of the given one is a perfect square? There are 4 numbers given, only one of them is a perfect square. Look very carefully here. 123, 187, 196, 223. So this number, the unit place is 3, it is not a perfect square. Unit place 7 is not perfect square. Look at the table. Unit place 6 is possible. So your answer is 196. Unit place 3 is not possible. So only 196. Done. 6 is it? Okay. Now you look at the unit place 0, 1, 4, 9, 6 and 5. Okay. That is a short answer type. Okay. Next. Look at the first question is that whether you do the problem in exercises. What is the 1 digits of the squares of the below given number? That's given. One of the number 2387. 20,387. Sorry, 20,380. The unit place is 7 square equal to 9. So the unit place is 49. 1304 whole square. What is the unit place of the square of this number? 4 square is 60. Here you look at here, 4 square 60. So the unit place is 6. You get the idea? 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. That's one of them. Then the end number or unit place is 3. 9 square is 81. So it is 1 square. 9 square 81. So unit place is 1. You get the idea? That is in page number 92. Page number 92. Try this. Okay. Next. Same page, that is on page number 92. The square of which of the following number will be an odd number or even number? Why? 727. The number is 7. 7 square is 9. It's an odd number. Similarly, one of the number is 144. 4 square is 16. 16 is here. 4 square is 16. It's an even number. So the unit place number is an odd number. If the unit place of the number is an odd number, your answer is an odd number. And if the unit place of the number is an even number, your answer is an even number. That idea? Okay. That is the second question. Next, number 2. What will be the number of zeros in the following? Look at it. 400 square. 400 square. 4 square is 16. 2 0 means your answer contains 4 zeros. Once again, 3000 square. 3 square is 9. 3 പൂജ്യം ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അതിന്റെ ഡബിൾ സീറോ ഉണ്ടാവും. ഡബിൾ ഡെബിറ്റ് 6 zeros. Once again, 20,000 square. 2 square is 4 and here it consists of 4 zeros. Automatically your answer has 8 zeros. 8 zeros. Okay. ഇതിന് എത്ര സീറോ വെച്ചാൽ അതിന്റെ ഡബിൾ സീറോസ് ഉണ്ടാവും. That's what answer is. Is it all? So page number 92, you try all of the questions. Okay, all of them are easy. Next, how many natural numbers lie between 10 square and 9 square? Okay, I will train later. So you prepare well the first exercise. Okay, all the best.